During COVID, access to cameras was really limited.
We couldn't get the camera on time for this semester. Flights has been canceled or delayed. So we thought, let's start to build our camera in-house.
3D printed camera project came directly from the PA/PR department. The faculty in that department said, is this something we could do? And yeah, we were thrilled. This is like exactly something we could do. We would love to help out in a project like this. If it weren't for the COVID situation, it's unlikely we would be diving into a project like this. How do we not only make the best of the situation, but how do we do something new and interesting, beneficial to our students that we haven't done before? It makes the program much stronger, it makes the syllabus much stronger, gets people excited.
So this type of collaboration between students, the Fab Lab, the faculty, that's make things really exciting. Analog photography, it is more experimental. You don't expect what you are getting. When you develop the film and you see how the image came out, you can read it even from the negative, and then you get the artwork.